Banana Man here, and today we are going to be doing a review on the Ryobi cordless angle grinder. This is my second attempt for this part. Part of this will be filmed on the Nikon D3100, and others parts will be filmed on the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. I'm doing a voiceover on this particular spot because I had the radio on and YouTube muted my sound. Warning to other creators out there, please, for your own good, do not have any background music. YouTube has become a place of great regulation, I suppose. It's a pain in the ass. Don't like it. Learning this the hard way. I did look in the store to see what kind it was, compared it to some others. Right here. So I should be able to use this to grind this right here. So the real question would be is, have I ever used one of these before? The answer would be yes. But it wasn't mine. It was a very, very long time ago. Sometimes I'm awfully forgetful, honestly. But let's see if we can look at this and see. It comes apart right here like so. Just like this. Alright, as you can see right here, I'm sharpening this lawnmower blade. Before I finished, I was able to sharpen 5 lawnmower blades. It worked perfect for such a job. Barely used any energy. I think I went through about 2 batteries. And I was able to get them nice and sharp. Highly recommend this tool for this use. Over here, I am cleaning up this trailer and getting ready for painting. This trailer was 22 feet by about 8 feet wide, and it was a lot of work. This tool, with a wire brush, side cutter, and things of this nature, worked really good for this. However, a plug-in version would have maybe done a better job because I needed to take breaks since I only had 4 batteries.
It's my own damn fault. Well, there you have it. Ryobi
angle grinder. Works pretty good. I'm really giving it a workout, that's for sure. I mean, if you're working on it in a situation like this where you're right next to a garage with plenty of electricity, you maybe don't need to be using a cordless one, but I want to see how this works. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and have a wonderful day. About powerful, just as powerful as the corded one. So, either way, thanks for watching.